Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that affects every person in the world, but very few people truly understand it early in life. Money. Not just how to spend money, but how to understand it, respect it, and manage it wisely. Many people learn about money only after they make serious mistakes. They work hard for years, but they still feel stressed about bills, savings, and the future. Why does this happen? Because most people are never taught how money really works. Schools teach mathematics, science, and history, but very few schools teach the basic skills of managing money. As a result, many adults enter the real world without financial knowledge. They earn money, but they do not know how to protect it, grow it, or use it wisely. Learning about money early can change the direction of your entire life. Let us imagine a young man named Arjun. Arjun was intelligent, hardworking, and ambitious. He finished his education and got his first job in a large company. When he received his first salary, he felt proud and excited. For the first time in his life, he had his own money. He wanted to enjoy it. So he bought new clothes, expensive gadgets, and went out with friends often. Every month his salary came, and every month the money disappeared quickly. At first, this did not seem like a problem. He thought, I am young. I can always earn more money later. Many young people think this way, and it feels normal at the beginning. However, after a few years, Arjun noticed something strange. Even though his salary had increased, his savings had not. In fact, he had almost no savings at all. Every month he worked hard, but by the end of the month his bank account was almost empty. He began to feel worried. What would happen if he lost his job? What would happen if he faced an emergency? He realized something important. Earning money and managing money are two very different skills. Many people learn how to earn money, but very few learn how to manage it properly. One day, Arjun met an older colleague named Meera. Meera had been working in the company for many years, and she seemed calm and confident about her finances. She did not look stressed about money. She lived a comfortable life, but she was not wasteful. Arjun became curious. One afternoon during lunch, he asked her a simple question. How do you manage your money so well? Meera smiled and said something that Arjun would never forget. She said, most people learn about money when it is already too late. But if you learn early, money becomes your tool instead of your problem. Meera explained that money is like a language. If you never study it, it feels confusing and difficult. But once you understand the basic rules, everything becomes clearer. The first rule she explained was simple but powerful. Spend less than you earn. It sounds obvious, but many people ignore this rule. When their income increases, their spending also increases. They buy bigger houses, newer phones, and more expensive lifestyles. Slowly, their expenses grow faster than their income. This creates financial pressure. Instead of feeling free, they feel trapped by their own spending habits. Arjun listened carefully as Meera continued explaining. She said that saving money is not about being greedy or refusing to enjoy life. Saving money is about creating security and freedom. When you save regularly, you build a safety net for your future. Emergencies become less frightening because you are prepared. Opportunities also become easier to take because you have resources available. Saving money is not about fear, it is about preparation. People who understand this concept early often live calmer and more stable lives. After that conversation, Arjun began to change his habits slowly. The first thing he did was track his spending. At the end of each day, he wrote down everything he had spent money on: coffee, transportation, food, entertainment, and small purchases. At first, he was surprised by how much money he spent on things he did not truly need. Small expenses seemed harmless individually, but together they added up to a large amount. This simple awareness changed the way he thought about money. Meera also taught him another important lesson: the difference between needs and wants. Needs are things you must have to live and function properly. Food, shelter, basic clothing, and transportation for work are examples of needs. Wants are things that make life more comfortable or enjoyable but are not necessary for survival. Expensive electronics, luxury items, and frequent entertainment often fall into this category. The problem many people face is that they confuse wants with needs. When everything feels necessary, spending becomes uncontrolled. As Arjun became more conscious of his spending, he started building a small habit of saving money every month. At first the amount was small, but the habit itself was powerful. Meera told him something very important: consistency is more important than size. Even small amounts saved regularly can grow over time. This is because of a powerful concept called compounding. Compounding means that money can grow not only from the original amount you save but also from the growth that money produces over time. To help Arjun understand this idea, Meera gave him a simple example. Imagine saving a small amount of money every month and investing it wisely. Over many years, that money begins to grow slowly. The growth then produces more growth. Eventually, the increase becomes larger and larger. What started as a small habit becomes a significant financial resource. The earlier someone begins this process, the more powerful the results can become. Another important lesson Arjun learned was about debt. Debt is not always bad, but it can become dangerous if it is used carelessly. Some types of debt help people build their future, such as education loans or investments in businesses. However, many people accumulate debt simply to maintain a lifestyle they cannot afford. Credit cards make it easy to spend money that you do not actually have. At first it feels convenient, but over time interest payments grow larger and larger. Suddenly a small purchase becomes a long financial burden. Meera explained that financial freedom does not come from earning a huge salary alone. Many people earn high incomes but still feel financially trapped. Financial freedom comes from balance. It comes from spending wisely, saving consistently, and avoiding unnecessary debt. When these habits become part of daily life, money stops being a constant source of stress. Arjun also learned the importance of planning for the future. Many people focus only on the present moment. They enjoy today without thinking about tomorrow. While enjoying life is important, ignoring the future can create serious problems later. Life includes unexpected events, health issues, economic changes, job loss, or family emergencies. Preparing for these situations is not pessimistic, it is responsible. Gradually, Arjun's perspective on money began to change. Instead of seeing money as something to spend immediately, he began to see it as a resource that could create opportunities. He started reading books about personal finance, listening to experts, and learning basic investment principles. The more he learned, the more confident he felt about his financial decisions. One of the most valuable lessons he discovered was that money is closely connected to habits. Financial success rarely comes from one lucky event. Instead, it usually grows from small, consistent actions repeated over many years. Saving a little regularly, investing patiently, avoiding unnecessary spending, and making thoughtful decisions can slowly transform a person's financial life. As time passed, Arjun noticed a surprising change in his emotions. Before, he often felt anxious when thinking about money. Unexpected expenses caused stress, and the end of each month felt uncertain. Now he felt calmer and more confident. His savings were growing steadily, and he had a clear understanding of his financial situation. Money was no longer something mysterious or frightening. Arjun also realized something else. Learning about money is not only about personal benefit. When people understand finances, they can help their families and communities as well. They can support loved ones during difficult times. They can invest in education, businesses, or projects that improve society. Financial knowledge creates opportunities not only for individuals but for the people around them. Years later, Arjun remembered the conversation he had with Meera during lunch. That simple discussion had changed the direction of his life. If he had continued spending carelessly without understanding money, his future might have been very different. Instead, learning early allowed him to build stability and freedom gradually. The truth is simple but powerful. Money itself is not good or bad. It is simply a tool. In the hands of someone who understands it, money can create security, opportunity, and peace of mind. In the hands of someone who does not understand it, money can create stress, confusion, and long-term problems. The difference lies in knowledge and habits. That is why learning about money before it is too late is one of the most valuable skills anyone can develop. You do not need to be rich to start learning. You do not need complicated strategies. What you need is awareness, discipline, and patience. Small steps taken consistently can create powerful results over time. If you begin learning about money today, your future can become much stronger. You will make better decisions, avoid common mistakes, and build a life with more stability and freedom. And one day, you may look back and realize something important. The moment you decided to understand money was the moment your future truly began to change. As the years continued to pass, Arjun's life slowly became more stable and organized. The habits he built did not change his life overnight, but they changed it steadily. Every month he saved a small part of his income before spending anything else. This simple rule helped him stay disciplined. Sometimes he wanted to buy expensive things, just like before, but now he paused and asked himself an important question. Do I really need this? Or do I simply want it for a short moment of happiness? This small question helped him make better choices. One day, something unexpected happened at his company. The business faced financial difficulties, and many employees were worried about losing their jobs. The office atmosphere became tense and uncertain. Some workers were extremely stressed because they had no savings. They depended completely on their monthly salary. If their income stopped even for a few months, their lives would become very difficult. Arjun noticed how fear spread among many of his colleagues. However, Arjun felt different. Of course, he was concerned about the situation, but he was not completely afraid. Over the years, he had built an emergency fund and learned how to manage his expenses carefully. Even if something unexpected happened, he knew he could survive for some time without panic. In that moment, he truly understood the value of everything Meera had taught him years earlier. Financial knowledge was not just about becoming rich. It was about creating peace of mind during uncertain times. Eventually, the company recovered and the situation improved, but the experience left a strong impression on Arjun. It reminded him that life can change quickly, and preparation makes a huge difference. Because of that experience, he became even more serious about his financial habits. He continued saving, learning about investing, and planning for long-term goals. Later in life, Arjun began sharing his knowledge with younger employees who had just started their careers. Many of them were excited about earning their first salaries, just like he once was. Instead of criticizing their excitement, he simply shared his story and the lessons he had learned. He explained how small habits can shape the future and how understanding money early can prevent many painful mistakes. Some of the young workers listened carefully and started changing their habits. Others ignored the advice, believing they had plenty of time to worry about money later. Arjun understood that everyone learns at their own pace. Still, he hoped that at least a few people would begin their financial journey earlier than he did. In the end, Arjun realized a powerful truth. Money itself does not bring happiness, but understanding money can remove many worries that prevent happiness. When people learn how to manage their finances wisely, they gain something very valuable: freedom. Freedom to make choices, freedom to handle challenges, and freedom to build a future with confidence. And that is why learning about money before it is too late can change not only your bank account, but also your entire life. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.